Hey guys, in this video I will show you the tutorial about Test Plan Space, which is a digital learning platform that will make everybody easy. Either you are a teacher or a student. Okay, first thing, what you are gonna do first, you need to go to your search engine like a Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer or others, and browse the type a blank space, and then click enter, choose the first one, okay. After the website page appear like this, click on the sign up button, and you can choose either you are a teacher or a student. And in this case I choose as a teacher. I always use sign up with Google. Choose your email address, then click allow, and then this is your page. Okay, now I will go to login, click account and accept. Okay, when you want to creating, there are a couple of options. First is you can go to gallery. You can search from the gallery. So let's say I want to create a lesson about CPR. So you see many blank space created by, okay,